What's up everybody, my name is Ibra. This is my GSXR and welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a quick bulb swap. I have the standard bulbs that I'm alright with the performance, but I already purchased some LED bulbs from Aliexpress, and I'm going to replace my high beam and the standard bulb. It's very simple. All you have to do is removing this one bolt and you are going to have full access. I will set my camera and I will show you how to do it. I'm lucky that the previous owner left me the original equipment, so I won't be struggling searching for equipment at all. Supposed to be this one. Yes. And here's the bolt. I have ordered this one and this one, like a Suzuki GSXR headlight kit. I think they were like $15 or something. According to me, it's a little bit expensive for specifically for this quality. If you buy separate, most probably you are going to save like a couple of bucks. But I just wanted to make sure that I have the proper ones as a kit and I will not need to wait separately and so on. Removing this one is not so hard. You have to be just gentle. You see that there is a connector here. You have to press from downside of the connector. Okay, first thing that you have to be doing while removing this, you have to pull from the sides, from this side or this side. You see that there are two spots that are hitting here and here. Once you pull it gently, it comes off, and you have to remove the connector by pressing its lock. Here there is the lock point here. You have to press from downside and it comes off. And here we have access to the headlight, this one, and the high beam is this one. This one is actually very easy. It has locks as well, this connector. When you press from here, it comes off easily, and what you have to do is just rotating this and this is coming off. I have replaced this one. This wasn't working when I purchased the motorcycle. I have replaced this one just to make sure that I have some, you know, some light until I get my LED ones, and it's better to have some spare. And the same way you are going to fit like this. The connector is looking down and rotating and fitting this back. Very easy, removing the connector, rotating the bulb and coming off, putting back the connector, and done. This one is also very simple, the same way that you will just have to pull this out, remove the rubber seal, and there is one metal clips here. With one finger you have to move this out and it's coming off. Obviously this LED is not the highest quality that you can find in the market. I want to see if I'm going to have some acceptable good performance from this one, and I'm going to compare at the end of the video you know, how is before with the regular bulbs this one and this one. And how is the performance afterwards? Oh, fitting back is again as simple as is. Fitting back is easy. You see that there is one central point which has to be at top, like this, like this. And after that you have to secure with the pin. You see that there is one pin here and the pin fits in a lock point. We are going to put the rubber back. Make sure that you have access to the connector and find the connector of it, which most likely fell. Okay, here. And I put back the connector here that was fallen, and it's ready. I couldn't access to this ones. It's very tight and it doesn't really worth the effort I will be sparing. I'm going to replace this one in time anyway. I already got some spare parts. It will be resprayed to the my color, to my motorcycle's color, and while swapping the this spoiler or plastic or whatever, I will replace the these bulbs as well. So for now we are almost ready to go, which took like literally 5 minutes. I'm going to put the speedometer the same way you see where the central point, the reference point. Okay, I set the position just like this and use the rubber seal, wrap it up and gently press them. Before I put the bolt, I want to test it. Looking good. I think it's gonna be easier if I just rotate it with my fingers. It was actually super fast. I didn't expect it to be like literally for a couple of minutes to be completed. Here's some a little bit extra. I ordered those bolts from Aliexpress because some of them were missing and it's very annoying. This part is making some noise and hopefully it's gonna stop. Other than that, the process is fitting this one like this. I'm not really sure if I have to put the washer or, you know, leave it like this, but you see that as much as I put the bolt and move it, this one is getting thick and getting fixed like this. I'll have to remove this. This one was temporary when I broke this. 5 out of 6. This one is stuck inside the plastic one. I will remove this one anyway, so I will fix it another time, but 5 out of 6, not that bad. and this is the after. I mean, I cannot really comment a lot because I couldn't really see a big difference. Just it feels like just the difference is the color of it. But other than that, I think it looks nice. I think it looks more modern this way. But for sure, I'm going to keep my other bulbs like spare because when I purchased this motorcycle, I have replaced 3 times the regular headlight bulb. Most probably I had some cheap ones, or you know, I found something that is low quality. It was already in my hand, left from other cars and so on, so I used the one that I had. Anyway, for the time being, for the price that I paid, I'm not really satisfied. I can't really see huge difference. Just the motivation is it's white and it's more modern, but you know, that's all. Next step is going to be putting the crash bars. I have crash bar because I already I already dropped a motorcycle in the traffic once. I hit a car. I want to secure the engine, so the next step is going to be for sure putting the crash bar. It seems very simple, but let's see if it's as simple as I expect. Thank you for watching the video, and please hit the button subscribe to support me, and there will be some new stuff happening on this motorcycle and soon Audi A3. Stay tuned.